Electric screwdrivers have become essential tools for DIY enthusiasts, homeowners, and professionals alike. As projects get more precise and time-sensitive, the demand for compact, powerful, and rechargeable screwdrivers has surged. Just like mechanical keyboards appeal to typists.
List number 1. DeWalt Cordless Screwdriver USB Rechargeable with Flex Drive Control. DeWalt is a trusted name in power tools, and their cordless screwdriver delivers precision and durability in a compact form. This model stands out for its flex drive control, which allows you to switch seamlessly between manual and powered modes, giving greater accuracy when handling delicate screws. The USB rechargeable battery is a welcome feature, enabling convenient charging via laptops, power banks, or wall adapters. It delivers solid torque performance for both light and medium-duty projects, making it ideal for furniture assembly, electronics, and home repairs. Its ergonomic grip ensures reduced hand fatigue during prolonged use, and the lightweight design makes it easy to carry in a tool bag. One of its strengths is the variable speed trigger, which prevents over-tightening or stripping screws. However, it's not intended for heavy-duty construction tasks, which is expected at this size and category. Overall, it strikes the right balance between performance, portability, and convenience.
List number 2. Fantic S1 Pro Electric Screwdriver. The Fantic S1 Pro electric screwdriver is a modern, sleek, and highly precise tool designed with tech enthusiasts and gadget repair professionals in mind. It comes with a comprehensive set of precision bits, making it ideal for laptops, cameras, smartphones, and other electronics. This model shines with its all-aluminum body, giving it both a premium feel and durability. The built-in rechargeable battery provides hours of operation, and the Type-C fast charging ensures minimal downtime. Its dual torque modes let you toggle between manual and automatic operation, making it versatile for delicate and tough jobs alike. Users particularly appreciate the LED shadowless light, which illuminates tight spaces for better visibility. The screwdriver's slim design makes it easy to maneuver, especially in small electronic devices where accuracy is critical. While it doesn't have the raw torque of larger cordless models, its strength lies in precision engineering. If you work with small electronics or need a lightweight screwdriver for detailed projects, the Fantic S1 Pro is an excellent investment.
List number 3. The Jorast 155-in-1 Mini Electric Screwdriver, Cordless. The Jorast 155-in-1 Mini Electric Screwdriver is a powerhouse kit designed for anyone who needs maximum versatility. With 155 different bits and accessories, it covers everything from electronics repair to small home projects. Whether you're fixing a smartphone, assembling a drone, or tinkering with cameras, this set has the right tool for the job. The screwdriver itself is compact, lightweight, and rechargeable, delivering enough torque for small to medium screws. It includes multiple torque settings, ensuring you won't damage sensitive components. The rechargeable battery provides long-lasting performance, and the USB charging capability adds extra convenience. A standout feature is the magnetic storage case, which organizes all 155 pieces neatly, preventing loss and confusion. The inclusion of pry tools, spudgers, and tweezers makes this an all-in-one kit for professionals and hobbyists alike. Its limitation is clear. It's not suitable for heavy-duty drilling or construction tasks. However, for anyone who values variety and precision in one package,
List number 4. Hodo Electric Screwdriver. The Hodo electric screwdriver is a minimalist yet powerful option, designed with both functionality and aesthetics in mind. Featuring a sleek cylindrical body, this tool looks more like a modern gadget than a traditional screwdriver. Its simple one-button control makes it extremely user-friendly, perfect for beginners and casual users. The screwdriver is powered by a rechargeable battery, offering reliable performance for everyday household tasks. It comes with a set of high-quality bits that cover most small DIY projects, such as furniture assembly, toys, and small appliances. The integrated LED light improves visibility in low-light environments, which is a thoughtful touch. Ergonomically, the Hodo feels comfortable in hand and is easy to store in drawers or toolboxes. It is lightweight, making it convenient for quick fixes around the home. On the downside, it may lack the torque needed for more demanding jobs, so professionals might find it limiting. However, for casual users who prioritize design, portability, and ease of use, the Hodo electric screwdriver is a stylish and practical pick.
List number 5. Skill Rechargeable 4V Cordless Screwdriver with Circuit Sensor Technology. The Skill 4V Cordless Screwdriver is designed with safety and innovation at its core. Its standout feature, Circuit Sensor Technology, detects live wires to help prevent accidents during electrical projects, a unique advantage that sets it apart from most competitors. It delivers 4V of power, which is sufficient for most household and light DIY projects, such as assembling furniture, tightening hinges, and minor electrical work. The built-in rechargeable lithium-ion battery offers long life, and the convenient micro USB charging port ensures easy recharging. The Skill screwdriver is also equipped with an easy-to-grip handle and a 2-finger trigger, making it comfortable and intuitive to use. The inclusion of multiple driver bits increases its versatility. While it may not pack enough torque for heavy-duty applications, its strength lies in combining safety with usability. For anyone working around electrical components or concerned about shock hazards, the Circuit Sensor Technology provides peace of mind.